Hello again. Today, I present you how to remove background from an image using Paint 3D. This app is included in Windows 10 or 11 and is free. It isn't as efficient as Adobe Photoshop, but to use this app, you must pay monthly a fee. But you should know that Paint 3D works wonders when it comes to remove background from a photo. First, I choose a photo with my dear dog named Gypsy. It's a hard picture to be processed, because contains many dark tones and close in shade. To select what you want to keep from a photo, like example, my dog from this photo, click on Magic Select. Dragging the corners, you will fit the frame with the object, which you want to separate from the background. Click Next. The object takes shape, but is not entirely separate from the background. The chest and legs, which are about the same color as the background, have not been detached. Zoom using mouse wheel on chest and legs. To appear, you must click on Add button. Draw the border approximately, with the area that was selected as background and it makes part from the object. It happens that not every time to recognize the selected object. So, you must try again and again. Now, to remove the background from the object, click on Remove button. Now, the object is totally removed from the background. Click Done. You will see that I can move only the object, and a shadow remained in place of the initial object. I have copied the object giving right click of mouse and I have selected Copy. I didn't save the file. On the untitled file, I give right click of mouse and I select Canvas option. On right corner, I activate Transparent Canvas. I pasted the object and I zoomed it out, to fit it into the new frame. After I played with the object, as I wanted, I chose Save As Image button. Because I selected transparency, you will see that the background is transparent and I remain on the objects. Is necessary that the file which will be saved, to contain PNG extension. Now, I have two gypsy girls, two dogs. If you want to play with PNG files that contain objects with transparent background, you can use real-world paint. It is freeware and easily to use. Open PNG file. I've selected an object and I played as I wanted. If this video was useful and you think that my gypsy girl is the most beautiful dog in the world, please give comment, share or like. Subscribe for more interesting tutorial videos. Bye bye.